our next topic is complete the square and use this to solve quadratic equation. A perfect square quadratic is in the form of x square plus 2bx plus b square, that is equals to x plus b whole square, or x square minus 2bx plus b square is equals to x minus b whole square. Now these are the definitions of two perfect square quadratics, right? So perfect square quadratic should be in the form of x plus b square or x minus b square, and x is the variable and b is any constant in these expressions or equations. Okay, to turn a non-perfect square into a perfect square, you need to manipulate the expression. So if we have the expression, so this expression is not a perfect square. So if we want to make it a perfect square, we have to manipulate this expression to complete the square of the function x square plus 2bx. So if we are completing the square of this expression, you need a further term b square, right? Because if here the b square is given, then the square of the complete expression is fulfilled. Okay, so the completed square form is x square plus bx. So we add x square plus bx, so we add b square and also subtract b square in this expression. So when we add this b square, so this will become, so here sorry, we have also 2, so this will becomes x plus b whole square, and this minus b is square is as it is. So this when we add b square or subtract b square, it means that we are manipulating the expression. Okay, similarly x square minus 2bx is given. So if we have x square minus 2bx is given, so we add b square minus b square in this expression. So you can see that this is the formula for x minus b whole square, right? Because here the negative with the 2bx and minus b square is as it is. So this is the solution for completing the square of the quadratic equation. So similarly this one, completing the square x square plus bx. So if we have simple x square plus bx, so it means that we have to take the coefficient of x, that is b, we divide it by 2, right? Take the coefficient of x and divide it by 2, add to the simple term, it means that x plus b over 2 whole square, and also minus b over 2 square is as it is. Okay, so this is your method for completing the square, right? So in the next example you can solve the example clearly. That's so simple example. So first of all, complete the square for x square plus 12x, right? This is the incomplete expression, so we have to complete the square. How? So first of all, x square plus 12x is given. So if we you can see that here is x square plus 12x can be written as 2 multiply by 2x multiply by 6, right? So now your first term is given as x, right? Your second term must be 6 square. Okay, so we add 6 and we add 6 square and subtract 6 square in this expression to complete the square. And also you can use this formula as, if we have x square plus bx, so we divide b by 2, So b is 12, so it means that we divide 12 by 2, that is 6. So we add 6 to x, and that will becomes whole square minus 6 square is as it is, so it will becomes x plus 6 whole square minus 6 square is 36. Okay, and in part b you can see that 2x square minus 10x. So first of all you have to take common 2 from these two terms, so it will becomes 2 times x square minus 5x. So if we divide this b by 2, it will becomes 5 over 2. It means that your expression will be x minus 5 over 2 whole square minus 5 over 2 whole square, right? So 2 times x minus 5 over 2 whole square minus that will becomes 25 over 4. Okay, so here is a mistake, and the mistake is that this 2 is multiplied by this term, and 2 can also be multiplied by this term. So if we multiply 2 by this term, this 2 is cancelled out by this 4, it will becomes 25 over 2, right? So your answer will be 2. So here is the mistake in the book, misprinting, right? So this is your example 3. Now we have the next example, that is example 4. Any quadratic equation can be solved by completing the square method and complete the square to solve. So we have to solve this quadratic equation. In previous we have solved the quadratic expressions, but now in example 4 we have to solve quadratic equations by completing square method. So first of all we have to make the shape like the quadratic expression. So first of all we have to take this common, take this constant term on the right side, so it will becomes x square plus 8x is equals to minus 10, right? So again, so this now this term is like the previous example. So here b is 8, b is 8, so b over 2 will be equals to 4, right? B over 2 is equals to 4. So it means that here we have x plus 4 whole square minus 4 square is equals to minus 10. So you can see that this minus 4 square goes on the other side and add to minus 10. So it will becomes x plus 4 whole square, that is equals to minus 10 plus 4 square. And what is the value of 4 square? That is 16. So it means that x plus 4 whole square is equals to 6. Any problem till this question, till this step? Do you have any problem? Okay, next one is x plus 4 is equals to, now we take the square root on both sides to just cut this square. So here we have x plus 4 is equals to plus minus square root of 6. So we have to take two different terms, that is x plus 4 is equals to square root of 6 positive, and the second equation will be x plus 4 is equals to minus 6 square root. Okay, so x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root. So here in this question we have the answer, that is minus 4 plus square root of 6, and in this question minus 4 minus square root of 6. So the answer can be combined as x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 6, right? So this is the combined answer for this equation by using the completing square method. Do you understand? Again, for the part b, so for part b also we have to we have the question, that is 2x square minus 8x plus 7 is equals to 0. So we have to do in the next example, next video. Okay.